I praise God ukuthi ungathola nesilebeka kahle lebekade kubona ema-results la ngekho kahle ukuthi abona ama-results la anenzaba. So they had to drop that because if I'm just 4 times already last Sunday ama-results abhekile nabona la then they drop like that bayibele. Yabo manje le clinic ubona lamakhulu lephela ngengakho ihlabeni wena ngiyakula. Today I don't wish so to look at it man. Yeah, well, that's actually I'm doing this to my friends. No, right. You're thinking because yeah, the system is kuma so the car, so it's like you should tell a guy who's advanced anxious positive. I mean, like, I'm pregnant, really know. I took yes to put me down, right, onto the house. And medication, I'm not walking around and saying, it's a pain. I'm forgetting, when I'm ready to we're going to have a conversation. Absolutely.
Superstar of Stellar Bafethu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu sengiso lesikhathi now ngabe awukasubscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the biggest YouTube channel, sicela pause this video. Sicela pause the video right now. Ushaya the subscription button la kukhona subscribe. Nawuceda lapho ushaya le bell ukuthi every time na drop a video you are notified ukuthi hayi the biggest YouTube channel sekhona inside the building. I-subscription isita ukuthi it grows the Rockstar family. Yakhulisa naleli page lethu la YouTube ukuthi libone bantu kulamanye amave nekuthi kubonakala le community yethu iyakhula. Fun nayitolo siyabonga kakhulu nalabo abasubscribe nalabo labahlale bakhomenta cela nichubeke ngicommente nisitshele ukuthi ngifuna kubona abanye as guests ngifuna ukuthi site kuphi kuma sports because the podcast is mobile sinako uthanda ngabe noma ngabe kuphi la ufuna step on your business maybe your school wherever stakushayela irun njengenjwayelo bafethathi clear story is doing it big for the culture etholakala ngamanzini uyathola Instagram uyathola TikTok uyathola Facebook ubashayela irun ngamanzini to check your favorite local brand yonke brand le local bafethu sinayo clear store make sure you check them out lana ke la sikhona khona phinze njengenjalo siphethe individuals siphethe the collective sila kuma type bafethu young people that are also pushing that we've decided ukuthi we're also gonna shoot a couple of episodes nabo and it's going good and siyabona ukuthi umsebenzi lanqoma ngabafethu nakhona nanifuna ukuthi wena share around the details akhona la screen i-episode lesinayo namuhla njengoba sathi guys ukuthi ama guests nyawa requester then we deliver. How bafethu sesinjabo yatiwa kakhulu siyambona ku TikTok siyambona on the streets uyakhuluma kakhulu telling her story which is what the platform is about on how she got infected with HIV bafethu dasitshela more and also stabesifunza because guys this platform is not only about ukuthi sihlale sihleke and all of that sifuna what in story ukuthi guys into lefana nokuthi ube HIV positive later ukaffecta almost impilo yakho which is something you're going to live with your whole life. How do you then take it to mind and how do you deal with it, the support? And we are here to learn and here to understand what is going on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome Njabu in the building. How are you, Njabu?
Hi, Jadi.
It was a long intro, but you're about to be there.
It's okay.
Hey, in terms of the pause, we are rolling now. I want the pause. We are rolling now. No. Siyabonga kakhulu wesami ukuthi ekubeni busy bakho nathi usqueeze in ngosiyami. We supposed to do for the information the episode a week before nayiphuma nyalo but nathi ngiyashayela live ngikhanza kude. Eish beba kwendani?
Ngaye umeka of gospels manje yabona kodwa ukusithatha lapha. Skits of super.
Obese ngeke sa-understand ukuthi phela bosohlabela ukuthi we had to ask ukuthi stay clear ukuthi live lihamba bumi bentaba.
Ngaphosta ukuthi ngiyaya. Athi bhekene sengane ticket so why not? Yes.
Zavele zakhala sithatha kufika.
VIP.
Zavele zakhala sithatha kufika baby. How long have you guys been together?
Yo. Sesekusha guys.
Oh, sesekusha.
Online dating cabanga.
How? No, you haven't met.
Yes. But nje ngiyithola imali every month.
Oh.
Yeah, we haven't met, but nje Shem, he's a good person.
Where did you guys meet?
On TikTok.
No TikTok la uhlupha khona. Uphiza ubavusa khona.
Yeah, phela bayangithanda umuntu ohluphayo because it's me like me antifihli yabo. What you see is what you get. So he was like, I want to be part of your life. That's him, horse outside. Me and Swaziland now.
When you're planning, now I'm curious. I
was supposed to be July, but it's not possible. Probably September or August. I don't.
For the first time.
Yes.
Obvious, not more than
Ow!
Long distance relationship, guys. How does it work? Oh, you'll fly.
Oh yes. Like he's in Port Elizabeth.
5G. These are my stories.
Go out.
What I like about you strike me in Jobangona is on TikTok. You're an open book. Lo muflo on TikTok. Pinze umflow ngenyalo.
Yes.
Energy, Bobby, always smiling. Obviously, they put a mask. Labanye kinds of on TikTok online, but no one be like, hi man, me and Bambalo. So I like that about you. So the question I'm here like telling me, na yin la like times the when after like the big adoption.
Wasn't he? Like I'm out there, Nyashumai, like in HIV, and it came to a point where he was like, so can you just stop? Like because bantu abeva ngithi ke mina ke but sinebantu labatesta positive at this time and age athi ungangazuthini abantu they are ignorant abasafuna ukuthatha PrEP because now we have PrEP. Why bangajovi? Why do we have people labatesta positive 2026 yabo when uqale ukukhuluma ngayo level le 2022 abalaleli short yabona ukuthi short awendi umsebenzi.
So now, out of curiosity, of course, this one you can. Now about Fumi Pendulous name. Yeah, now status like a still.
No, it's in there one few.
No. If it's fine, it's up to you. No.
Say hi.
No. Okay, now let's get into it. Good see. How difficult in Genialo since you came out we say, okay guys, you know I'm HIV positive. When it comes to Mjolo, do you have to disclose? How do you take it when it comes to relationship? Who's times like
okay, I don't know because Nyalo saying
okay, cool. Take it.
So that's it. I was in a position where by being a balance is I would say mawusamsonga la kuqaleni ukuthi HIV or ngisho nasengibangasiso yangithanda ukuthi okay athi mina nginathi amaphilisi yabo. So that mangicala ukukhuluma ngabo like the first person I disclosed to lo mbana beyangisonga. So I was in his house eMbabane and then ngasho like yabo umuntu wakuthinta ngosuva ukuthi sekumnandi seke ngakhonze yakho. And then I was like pause ngicela kusho something I was like ukuthi but mina positive so angadinuna any condom lesingayisebenzisa wavele nje waphela konke like ngiyambona phela body language iyasho nje ukuthi my sister uba simsebusuku ngabe ngithi hamba ngithi sebusuku so you can sleep at over ekseni uhamba to a point where ngiyangishiba legibela so I had to call my friend ukuthi ngana ngisendele imali angilambabani lokho ngagibela kuWhatsApp and that was me deciding ukuthi ishort akushiwo yabo ngaba nayo difficult leyo short akushiwo because now usho for umfana angafuni yabo and then I had to go YouTube ngibukela abanye laba live with HIV ukuthi benza kanjani read a few things on HIV ukuthi when it comes to my relationship wena kanjani yabo and then luckily I went to Facebook again because most people in Ghana basuke bakhamba na Facebook, TikTok bayangekho mali wendlela leyo. So I got to meet this guy on Facebook. So ngamtshela ukuthi abike with HIV and I was like, uzala wena like ngiyabathenza mina positive because nami ngeke ngajoin lo positive exam positive so it's fine. So that guy ngilo wangenda ngabana lesibili so ukuthi come out because bekamphusha ngathi ukuthi how you did social work, why can't you just use lebo social worker bakho ukuhlanganisa nale HIV yakho and one day awareness yabo empowerment capacitate other people ukhulume ngabo ngiva ngazuthi kutostand nabanye yabo like you have an idea ngalo ukuthi benginemuntu lebekangi-support yabo wathi asubhala ipost nje just to come out to say something ukuthi you're living with HIV ngiyabhala ngayipost on Facebook. He was like next to me and then the response yabo feedback it was good ngisho kanjani people were like hayi mama ubonakali hey mama wena soqalile yabona mama ngakho things like that. He was like yabona ukuthi kahle chubeka awungachubeka sometimes vele i-support bantu laba lacela kwakho ngibona abatakisita ukuthi uphakame so ngibona abangiphakamisa in a way ngaba ne-confidence yokuthi angisabi lutho. And he was a type of guy lebengakuthi ubuka i-data yakho yase-clinic ukuthi uyalile e-clinic and then tokushayela samse-clinic uphetheni he would buy ama-vegetables nama-fruits ngifuna udle kahle yabo like bekakhona vele empilweni yami ukuthi angiqinise angiphe amandla yingiba buhlungu ukuthi why did you have to go?
Bese basibafana tinje. Basibafana tinje.
Honestly, we have good men la, so I think bakhona. Shout out to the Laminis.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I had to leave Ireland, so otherwise he's the guy who.
So anihlukananga official.
Kuhlukana kwethu was like ukuthi wathi mina ngihlale ngentombi like ngingagani until ngabuya. I was like no ngeke, that's not possible.
So nakangabuya nyalo lokhu sesikhala kuwe Eastern Cape. Uyabona?
Yeah.
Guys, you see this thing? Is it true this thing that they always say ukuthi a girl will always have a favorite ex?
Yeah, he knows. He knows.
When I know my cousin shadile zinakhaya.
Like
yeah.
I mean that there's that you do together that I think good umuntu lecabanga ukuthi angafika kule level bangazama but nje yena
So does it get to a point where you guys lokuseka njengoba supportive? Have you ever had unprotected sex?
Azange nje sisibonisa condom.
But he's still negative.
Yes. We went to test naye afuna ngiprovela ukuthi he's negative. Wahamba sayatesta sabuya vele he's negative. Even Shahab yabo mohamba ukuthi wenda ngoma medical and everything. He was still negative. Angithi phela mina imvo ye-HIV sebenza kanje. If mina ngi-positive, natha emaphilisi ami every day like consistently adhere to my medication. Angeke ngimthelele lomunye umuntu because ligciwane emtimbeni wami le medication iyasuppress yabo bese asakhona ukumultiply yabo. So mangingasakhona ukumultiply lokusho ukuthi selifika esigabeni lapho khona selingasandluli lomunye umuntu angisakutheleni. But angisho ukuthi abantu abalala esikole.
Yes.
Because there's also reinfection. Yabo ukuthi emagciwane ama-strains emagciwane awafanani. Mina ngaba negciwane lami ngilale nawe kanti nawe negciwane lakho lehlukile maybe leli-strong kunalelami silale without protection ungi-reinfect yabo sengiyagula mina and the medication nginathabo mina beyiyale ligciwane lami lele sengidedekele lapha ayisangisebenzeli yabo ngikupha bese sofika esigabeni sekuthiwa gcwala lapho ligwamile uyabo so uyagula wona so ne-AIDS imoda bo-reinfection. So vele kumcoka lo ukuthi use the condom or if awusathi isimo sa-partner wakho kani maybe mina ngi-positive and negative ngicela ukuthi akanathele uPrep.
Let's take it back Nyalo Sisinjaba. Ukhule ungumfana lo njani? Just to make we always this confident ukhule kanjani what's upbringing? The question that yalanza lapho ukuthi ngibuta ngalokuthi ngifuna kwahle ukuthi umuntu angatibuta ukuthi sisiyomhla ngalo ne-age kangaka ufika kanjani ukuthi nawe because you know abantu banale okay sibantu sinako ukuthi umfuna lokugula simbona nje ahamba uma simbona into zaso yakhokhoba lo type of thing. So ngicela siqale ngokuthi abantu nje lapha bafuna kwathi ukuthi umbani uchamngaphi ukhule unjani umphalo njani.
Ngisho ukuthi I've tasted the both sides of life, the good life and the bad life. The good one nesicalo sakhona ukuthi I'm the youngest so bengi-daddy scale. My mom passed away when I was 2. So ngikhuliswe eMvoza. So besihlala esimunye baba masebenza emshinini nesikhundla sihlala endlini yabo kasi ekhona nje ngumphana lophila kahle. Funze staying Nazarene, ngibele ibhasi nanye esikolweni kukhona like nje cool. And then I went to high school solo futhi staying Nazarene senhlala nasehostel yabo ngilomphana lo thola yonke into. When I go home ngalavusa nangifika kulaba mfana ngilomphana lokuthi bete ekhaya kithi noma fundzisa kujayiva phela ngimphana wasemadolobheni like nesingisi sifunda la kimi like bengigood ne-French like yeah because I was very good. And then sengikhulile I think when I form 3 staying Nazarene and then my dad decided to I'm in a relationship and then wajola, stepmothers and everything. They were like, wena ngosha imali, uhlala boarding school, come back. Abuye ekhaya, ngalavuyisa, akunagesi. Akunamanti. Yabo, so ngashintsha from lempilo le yababa, so yagula phela lapho usuhlala ekhaya, sabuyela emsebenzini sesihlala ekhaya sonke. Sengigibela ibhasi, sengigcwala uniform lengingayithandi, sengishintshe nesikole. Kuthiwa ngifunze esikoleni yabo lesi-ordinary, just like other kids, yekele mosha imali ngama-boarding school. So impilo yabe siyashifta ngelapho. Senginetimpola ngiswelako, sometimes senginetimali yokugibela, and then I had to jola. I remember ukuthi umjola wami wecala, my first boyfriend was umlady. Yeah, webhasi. Nakhona, what I liked about him, ukuthi wabona ukuthi angisayi esikolweni. And then wabuta ukuthi lo manje uhlala gibela la akasayingane esikolweni bangamphendula wehla kwethe ekhaya wadobuta ukuthi awuyingane esikolweni ngathi mina kusuke kude imali yokugibela kodwa ayokugibela lapho imali yokugibela. That's how the relationship started. Anginike imali yokugibela, anginike ukudla esikolweni. We went on, so ngithengele toiletry, so ngithengela just esikole ngibona angigcoka ijezi yabo because ama-stepmoms ngiyawathi ukuthi bese bayandisa ubaba wethu sebathatha yonke imali sekudeleta kimi. So the guy was responsible for taking care of me. So vele nalokujola kwami mina ngijolanga nje ukuthi ujola na jobe lo wasesikolweni angikwazi bengajola esikoleni ngijola umuntu osebenzayo because buka simo sami ukuthi I need the money, I need to ngigcoka nani. So the guy bengibhadala nje ama school trips, like yeah. And then lokho ke ngicathi kwasifaka sandla in me not doing well for 5. So ngafeyila guys mbamba you ungraded Ahmed you lokunye FE cathi lema credit was food and nutrition, fashion and fabric, RS geography 4 credits, the rest beku back dates. And then ngahlala ekhaya ngacabanga ukuthi manje ndawenza kanjani ngoba ngifeyilile. Udimani, my dad was like ngizamile ukubhadalela isikole wena awani abafana so sisi udebonile. Yeah. Ngasukuma ngayosebenza endlini debantu. I think because I was 16.
Yay!
Yes.
How old when you started the relationship with the guy? No, but it's the past. Come on.
It's the past, yes.
Okay, now it's fine.
So I take to school. No, I jumped 2 classes. I didn't do grade 2. I didn't do grade 6. I was very smart. So
were you guys having sex? Okay, cool. I know that's yes. Okay, cool.
And so the following year, I was in the band, like engine band. And engine band
tell us. That's something like you.
It was another guy that I was seeing.
So now you're cheating on the group.
Yeah, you always cheat.
Okay, cool.
So now this one was like, ulahabene engineer. Manje sinengina ukuthi bafana abantu sana manje mfati wami was married. I was like, I can come. As long as you don't patala. And don't patala dambu ngabantu don't patala ukuthi ngisebenza ekhaya lapho. Phezulu ngibhadala ukuthi ngijolana. So I took the risk. Yeah, I'm a risk taker. I love So I went there. I didn't use my name. I was a different person. And fairly kind because the wife knew but I got this so I had to change everything, even somebody else. So they maybe 3 kids. I think I worked there like for 4 months. Yeah. And no professional. Like you'd never see yeah, the husband, I'm 17, I'm 17. Yes. But the one I like full time, I'm 17, I'm off. So, up until ngive selifuna uhamba like sengikhathele ihlala nzawonye I need to go sakhona into kahle. That's when I decided to go to SA ngasebenza khona endlini debantu again ngasebenza khona lapho I'm trying to raise money ukuthi ngibuyele esikolweni kumele ngibuyisele esikolweni so ngasebenza nase South Africa and then I came back home with the money and then I was like hey ikwala so I didn't do there I can't so let me just private school in SA, Mfundi. Then I went to SA again, I went to school, school fees was like 48 bucks. Yeah, home it's money back. Oh, 48 rand. Paid. But because of my sister, but I'm going 10, which is form 3. But I'm short. It's fine. Good thing. I rented a place. The whole year. I sent uniform, school and everything. I was set. Went back to school. My friends are in form 3. Very good. Excellent. Yes, did my grade 11. I joined the SA. I was on
I can tell.
I joined the SA. Got pregnant. Got grade 11. Luckily, the school is but they knew we would say, we can use this one. Those parameters like to pass. So I have food. So my phones are pregnant. My passer gave birth to a boy.
Usebenza phi lona Kenya loba pregnant for you? Ungaphela nje ishinto ukuthi ushaya.
Akasebenzi. Akasebenzi.
Ingane yakhe ekucala.
No, not really. Yabona abasiza team. So there was just this particular home living ngidlula kulona ngeesikolweni. So beautiful. Like how is this? I mean, so bengihlezi ngidibana naye nangesikolweni aphuma ngithathe ngigadi boy wale ekhaya ngithi no ngeke kube kusekhaya ibulayo ngidala boy kanti sekhaya apha ngithi naye ukuthi umuntu unadibana everyday udibana and sometimes ngifuna lokudibana naye ngibe yancane into ukuthi nje toshaya 10 to 7 sesiyadibana and say hi I'm saying mina aim yami bekungena ngekhaya
yo
because I just wanted to see the inside of the home ukuthi ngabe kunjani. So that's how we started learning my baby daily one. Then I discovered that I'm a school, you're looking very tall and stuff.
Okay. Yeah. So
I matriculated again, then I passed did well, came back to Swaziland. Second mpana, ngoleli wami so kwatile nyalo ukuthi mina bekafuna ukuthi ngifunze yabo. Mina sengiyamitha nyalo so vele akasamphumela ngicubekela le mpilo ngikhethile. He's very disappointed with me. Washo konke amagama labuhlungu la ya nami ngabe ubabuhlungu ukuthi nebe ngathi ukuthi umntwana yamfuna ewe umfuna ngalo ngangithela phathile. Bese ngilela khona and kwaphila kanjalo futhi yini naye. So I had to come back again mase iphelile phela ukudimana. Lo apply ngani imbasi. Yabo I had to work again. Asebenze manje. There was no money. At the Monday, I was trying to develop 250. Then you toilet usana 50 rand. So the money being I see what enough. I shall put and another year foods 2 years so the car up until we population census in 2017. Nasemenda lapho and then I was saying money apply and then 2800.
Sheesh. Hey, crazy story, guys. Yo.
Yeah, nobody made me. I made myself.
Yo. Shout out to the guy that was in the Mapasi. Muelo reignite. Without that guy,
nothing.
So you're not self-made. We contributed. Our leadership contributed. Our brother.
No, he liked me. Shame.
No. Siabo. Interesting story. Yo, do you ever think in your life you'd ever tell the story? Because the main point of the channel when I created this podcast was because it was built totally on curiosity of stories like this. Because I'd have this conversation with you. Maybe if it's slang and just born in, and maybe it's maybe Baasi or someone. Then I was like, oh, okay, this is nice. Then I wish like this could be documented because this is just so open and that's willing to tell their story and be bold and so yeah. Now let's get to the gist. How do you get infected now?
So
yeah, I know. Yeah, operate.
Hey guys, I was in love with that's one thing about me. You want to I'm love because so I was in a relationship, a very good one, a healthy one. Sachola na my brother, Sachola Begunazi, like 2 years. And then Bekacala like bengahlala Swatini, ngahlala eJoburg, so it come maka off. And then mangayi akugula nani like gula. Unani? I was like, high temperature, what to do at more Swatini, see my temperature awafanani. And then until one day, wakula mama look serious like so in the house. So I had to take care of him. And then I'm sure that now Chica, please go to a clinic, because something is wrong with you. I said, okay. He went to the clinic and then he told me we go test. Yeah, I will test positive. We were like, okay. I'm going to test. I test negative. Okay, negative. And then he's like, tell us it's because positive. So, little one 7 years man. I know because then I was sort of with public protection. Probably video period. So I'm not living like how do you say HIV go out and I love you so I stand. I'm like okay. I'm cancelled umuntu phela ucetha kuthola umuntu zala abadekwane lakhe like inzala shothi nje beka default seliyamgulisa ngenyanga yabo. I had to find out namuntu indlela dama ngithi sonke sihlakaniphile. So yeah, have a relationship.
So it's not like it's not like when ucabanga ukuthi uthola nyalo noma la ubeka kuya ngazuthi nami I just found out.
Yeah, ubeka kimi ngazuthi nyalo nami ngimkhanselela lo ukuthi ngunyalo.
Then he's been taking medication.
Not taking medication. Bekade ukuthi positive.
But not take
like why especially.
That's it.
Yeah, bambhalisa we-system yalangwane bakufaka system nani wala zobisi wala nje gcina ungasawalanzi bekanjalo ukuthi phela ukhona system. So yeah, so kuhambe isikhathi siyachubeka siyalala shothi ngalala bebebhayidam because condom bese sensitive siyisebenzisa yabo prep lelivani la prep engekho kangako. So one day siyalala and then the plan was ukuthi sisawuvuka ekuseni siye esibhedlela nolanza phela. And then people didn't nje ekuseni phithile ngicela sengikhohliwe mina ukuthi kodwa mina esolanza phela ngihambe ngikhohlwa umfana saphimani imali yatsisana kodwa ukuthi kodwa wendeni ufike kodwa imali yakho wena ujabule nabameli bangani bakho so that was the case. And then kwahambe emalanga ngikhohlwa ngaba ne-flu. Ngaba ne-flu. Hayi ngase i-flu yami yaphela umusuna abaconcoction engapheli i-flu. Ngabe sengishiswa i-iron bathi kwavele la isibadi sincane ngashiswa i-iron. Ayishisa i-iron banalo ukuthi isibonzo sami ngiphele noma liviki esingakapholi kumele ngabe sisipholile. Sasisilondo angipholi. Ngishuthi ngabe sekuyakhola. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayi konje uthi hayi ngiyeclinic yabona ngeclinic athi bathesta ngasanje mina la batest la beka inconclusive bobona kancane ukuthi ngicashata la nesilo ignorant bayengekaze watathambe sithi negative. But I praise God ukuthi ungathola nesilebeka kahle lobekade kubona ema results la ngekho kahle ukuthi abona ama results la anenzaba. So they had to draw blood because they want just 4 times la Sunday my results are big then they draw my blood for you. Yeah, almost like cleaning. Ubona la mabhuku lamakhulu leqhegu yeah ihlabeni kwena yabona it's in there and when you should talk to me yeah well that's actually like I'm doing this I feel like no right. You thinking because yeah, the system is pure kuma so the car so it's like you should tell a guy to see and I say it's positive. I be like I'm pregnant you know that's okay so couldn't time back right onto the house the medication and I will go I'm saying it's a pain. I'm figuring I'm ready to we're gonna have a conversation.
Oh.
Yeah. He just looked. Yeah. He didn't want to talk, he didn't want to do anything, he was just nowhere to be found. So now we're going to see how. You know what's in the movie, and I've been testing all my life ngeke kwenteke ukuthi kanjani it's you nalokuthi vele bengimuntu ukuthi sengilala nawe phela because like i-relationship yethu bese ingazi ukuthi ine-commitment ekhathi ukuthi you are my person, I'm your person yabo. Wanyalana nake bayibhaka ngasala nembuza yami ngathi ukuthi into ethini ngitshela abani ngala ngiyasaba nebangani bami what if abantu ba judgmental and stuff nabo sakumele ba-assess one by one ukuthi who am I telling between these people because ngikhona ngifana kuyasinza yabo and nyalo baya full time endlini yami bayalala nasendlini yami bangani bami ngona senjani maphisi all the time lapho mina ngizwele esikotela nginyonyobe lokuya ekseni ngivule ngithathe scare ngiphilise ngibambe nge-scare kanje ukuze ngingatokhala ngijijile ngimunye fast ngivale imfihle emaphilisi sami ngihamba sengiyabo unophila le mpilo le kuze kube nini yabo. I need to tell them. So I asked one by one, how would you feel? And that's what I'm positive. Other one was like, oh, good to me. And I like, how fun is most fun every day. I'm on my Kalilan. The other one was like, I'm the up chacha. I want to go see, I had 3 friends. I want to see the 2 up on the 10. This one, I need to change. Maybe the battle of my mom change. So that's how I got to Tala kuba the support system even it's okay now. Saying no yani abo. Saying about how manje usithe mstari. Saying le unblocking. Hayi mina nje kunga ngathi mina ngiyantshela we check everywhere. Siyangena na Facebook and I say okay fine. Bamtshela ukuthi like phila nje forget about him to phila. Up until I met this guy and I always young empowerisha ukuthi hayi ungaphila like ungasabi ukuthi una so positive nani. Sasa le nto leyo nje kube stepping stone usebenzele le story sakho uempowerisha nabanye abantu and tell them ukuthi it's okay yabo. And nalo ukuthi bantu banele assumption ukuthi HIV uthola ngoba ulana nabanye abaningi. HIV ungahlala uyiphathe kahle in the relationship but lo munye umuntu awumathi ukuthi wendaba because awuhlala naye la yabo angeke uzumgathi. Bantu babhizi la ngaphandle babhizi ngetimpo tawo bayalala futhi banjani and abafundi sebenzisa condom. So the best thing that you can do for yourself mangabe wena uyadithaza ungafani nami yabo because ngiwangehlula but ngiyabatshela labanye ukuthi zamani lo ukuthi lo prep vele asimjobeleni basakani unyalo songcono ngivile ukuthi nalo lo 6 months oyedala swathini because now we have 2 months with every after 2 months uyajova ungcono ukujova ngoba uyathi ukuthi usave yami but ke nakhona ngeke uzusithe ngabe ukuthi uphepha hamba ngejana because we have pregnancy we have ama STI ukuvikela ngani okay when family planning ukuvikele for pregnancy. What about the STIs because I call in 9 for something in Hunter virus ukuthi bathi nyalo seyito ha ikhona le ibonakala ukuthi iyahamba through sexual intercourse. Uyabona ukuthi sato
capacity inciphisa
ne penis yayo
inciphisa
yes maskabe
khona abantu awusala bedelutho
maskabe so yabo ukuthi ngathi kanjani ungaba sikhebele shulele nabantu abayi3 like ngelanga ungayithombi ngiyangaba le post nje bakhuluma ukuthi avele usuke unebhadi nayitholi usunebhadi manje because
if you had to turn the hands of time would you do things differently?
For me I think me being HIV positive kwamsitha in May yabo ukuthi I got to have a voice sengilalela abantu abaningi ngiyabona ukuthi ngikunamuntu absolutely la le coach le ngidela nasendlini yami yabo ungivulele like iminyama as much as ngingasebenzi right now but khona la ngihleli khona le ngingacabanga ukuthi ngihlale khona and impilo yami ngiba ngase sengithatha kakhulu nyalo as compared to that day senginabona ukuthi angeke ngize angifuni umuntu ongasathi isimo sakhe nangixoxa nawe i-health yakho ufuna ukuba ukuthi ingcobo yakho ekuphi in terms of healthy lifestyle uphila kanjani what are you eating what are you doing yabo senginabona ukuthi ngiyanaka ukuthi who am I associating myself with ngiyajoyina umfundisi ongakwazi ukuthi mina agym any exercise be it walking be it jogging and what like you need to take care of yourself so ngiba ngazuthi mina kungisiphi
shothi nje off camera nangithi ke mina I only drink water.
Yes, that's a good thing. Yeah, I advocate for
shots now.
Yes, clubhead smash. Smash, you have to drink water. I mean, I drink 3 liters a day of water. Ngiyawaqala ngidikufambele ngingasho angilali ngakathethi ukuplate. Ngabane ngichame itoki. Yabo ngiyabona ukuthi ube muhle nje usuleke. ngiyabongizama kumfiyekela tshwala kukhungona but ayimshayini kancane kancane yabo nje sekuzaba ngithi usho wona ukuthi hayi ngiyakhona kuyekeleni.
I totally love the fact that you're people bigger for what it is. Because that's what podcasts are all about. Because if you go to other platforms, let me say on radio, let me say on TV, angeke sebavume ukukhuluma freely ngandle because they put this narrative ukuthi as a person ufuna ube perfect. When you're HIV positive, oh guys, I eat fruit, I exercise, I live healthy lifestyle. So what I like about you is that you embrace the fact that yes, I'm HIV positive, but I'm perfect to go on, but I'm trying to work towards my lifestyle. And I also like the fact that to you, from what I'm getting, you tell me if I'm wrong. Go to who are HIV positive. You never took it the negative way. What more like a turnaround in
yes.
I think maybe it's something I had to go through to leave the employer and the club. Is that how you do it?
Yes.
No, Ziakala guys, please make sure now you subscribe, you hit the notification button, you comment, you share, and we've had Sinzigi and I a year ago, I think, about how she was living with HIV. So we try to make sure that we have guests enough now so that we educate, especially the youth, because we are the youth Nazi. Because the Nazi talk on and we see Sipilanjani and back to you, Sinja. Now, Sekala, so we are TikTok, I'm sure we work with organizations. We are a speaker now and all of that. Yini info ngathi experiencing kwakho nale experience yakho nana kwati kwakho. What leads to, especially people, no matter the youth mostly, who's infected? Is it makes the question? Is it njengoba usho ukuthi you fell in love, you went like that because of poverty. Is it poverty? Is it hunger? Is it reckless? Nje ukuthi vele no semahlanyeni asikudani izithanda yini lo vawathona nolenza masuba cancel ukuthi kahle kahle umfana noma lo mfana bayana khona uyigwema infle but now we live for this the infection rate in you. Ungabe igrova wona
leti zathu diningi like
maybe top 3.
Okay, ngingasho ukuthi mhlambe kwekucala lokusethu kakhulu kulendlela like esiphila ngayo simaSwati kakhulu la Swati because HIV isedu and mostly ichama kuma intimate relationships bani abajolako ngiva ngazi ukuthi we trust too much siyathembana singakadani and siya testana ngemehlo ukuthi ishilomne ma hips netiboni ufresh ngeke azabe ne-HIV yabo. Angathi noma ngilothi lama misconceptions lesinawo ukuthi probably if you are HIV positive you need to look a particular way yabo. And therefore leyo seyisilimete kakhulu because now we have people laba kulabo basathi isimo sabo ukuthi I am positive. We have people like that last one. And akawanathi lamaphilisi ukutshela nje kahle ukuthi ngeke ngize nginaso treatment. And unjalo uyalala nembatana like labaningi it's mostly bubhuti. I've seen it abantu labangibhalela ukuthi mostly labo bhuti athi mina ngize ngithathe treatment yami. Cabanga ukuthi lo muntu lo yona angaphatha inform la so it's bancane kakhulu la so probably 5 abantu lalala nabo. Le inform takhe lalana the thing 5 dinabo partner babo na to. So yabona ukuthi ihamba kanjani le le. And then we have issue yana abantu boba bela batsala ngathi la basiphi imali. Basiphetha ngamakuthumela kulamana. Abakuthumela mostly yabo they are from SA. They come with the HIV obviously. But because the muntu uphethe imali you don't get to question anything about status sub. Or ukuthi are you even for the isikhathi sekubuta ma-18 for le dog. Niyahamba ne-ocean kuzini nasatshwala niyahamba niyabulala nilala khona there's no condom use you can't even ask ukuthi ikhona yini condom or good isikhathi salo you do whatever that you do and ekugcineni kwakhona uyakhohlwa wena ukuthi kumele ulanza kuphela anti uzomnikile 3K uyamuva ngazuthi wena sofuna udatimile nani uyakhohlwa ngiba ngazuthi si-ignorant etintweni letimcoka in terms of lifestyle yethu wena uba more worried about ukuthi angamithi ugijima thenga morning after but uyakhohlwa ukuthi uye kolanza phepha umahhala yabona ungahamba emlanza unathi or why ungajovi if uyadati ukuthi wena vele usexually active ngaleyo ndlela leyo why ungajovi because iqiniso lithi bantu bangabona mina ngihleli la ngikhuluma nge-HIV and think ukuthi hayi kumnanzi kuyahambe it's not mina ngiyadicinisa because ngendlela nini ukuthi nibone ngazuthi kulula akukho lula it's not nice waking up every day nga-7 ukunatha le philisi it's always a reminder ukuthi wena wahluleka wena info le-right especially ukuthi thina lesithole ngekulala like sexually I cannot blame umuntu lokelwe nayo we always blame my parents because we also have that laba manje laba babo 16 17 yalo bakhona intombi yabo vele laba HIV positive bakelwe nabo lokho ke siblame my parents and nathi sesi-youth lemithambo ngiba ngazuthi if you know yourself ukuthi ngiyalo so pregnant hamba phela yo test ukubona ukuthi are you positive or negative now positive sisakune treatment labanika yona ukuthi uvikele umfana ukuthi angabi negciwane sidale bamana labaphila because into ochaza thina uma nasekamzala ukuthi yena HIV yakhe wayithatha ebona le phole.
Touch on the challenges, please, before we close. People from the confidence in TikTok active. You've just touched on one which is please, maybe yeah.
Una couple roles lokhuluma ngema stages of grief, go denial, enganani. Kuna stage sekuthiwa acceptance. Angeke ufike lapho awufiki lapho lokumukela nje ukuthi yathi mina sengiphila ne-HIV it takes a lot from you yabo as a person mina I think kwangisita lo ukuthi ngifunze ngibe nelwadi in terms of ka social work ukuthi yabo khona timbo lemelo tikrivele ukuthi nawe impilo yami injanjani but you need to pull up from lapho ukuthi sekunje there's nothing I can do yabo ngayitolo bengingenta something which is what we want youth yanamhlanje ukuthi do something ukuze ukuthi wena ungayitholi HIV but ngiyalo konjani sebavele banayo kuhlungu ukuthi chaza umuntu there's a person udibana naye endleleni ngathi from TikTok ngathi from Facebook yabo ngidibane naye engiyeva ukuthi yabo uthi lo mfunda yabo ngiyafunda ngiva ngathi ngingajola naye because mina I don't believe ukuthi kumele ume inyanga so ungathi ukuthi uyamfuna noma umfuni mina ngikubuka nyalo uma ngabe ngiyafuna nje singajola futhi khona nyalo impilo ichubeke like
I think that's how they supposed to be.
Yebo umabela lisocabanga ubongishayela bakuyini lo ngishayela kuya bo
siyafunza le ndleleni
like asabe sabona phambili senza kanjani so it's very hard nakimi nje ungibona ngihleli la it's hard uchazela lo muntu loyo because now ufuna ube ne-style ukuthi ngitshela kanjani ngiphi indlela ngomtshela ngayo lapho khona understand ngayo and remember ukuthi sinawo abantu labalekha knowledge about HIV they don't know anything yabo yena uva ngazuthi i-HIV AIDS akade ukuthi ne-HIV uthi wena ude ufakwe nami ngikufuni lokho yabo I once experienced a situation whereby this guy siyakhuluma ngeve ukuthi umuntu efuthi imnanzi and then ngadisclose ngamtshela ukuthi I'm living with HIV what's okay I understand but uyathi mina ukuthi mina mase ngijola nawe I will have to carry the stigma so ukuthi ngijola nemfulo HIV positive and abantu bacabanga ukuthi nami ngi positive the guy said that to me
valid
yeah it's valid yes ngathi mina my brother ngiva ngazuthi mina la sengikhona khona ngiya-understand wena as a person yabo but angeke ngize ngikhone nami kuba in a relationship whereby utobo question atimveti fana lo because sasa ngilova ngazuthi I can't complain about anything ngoba wena usite unami just because I'm positive and ngathi songivela kuhlungu in the situation yabo ngenteli favor so hamba uthola laba negative at least mina ngibe honest kuwe ngakutshela yabo but nangabona usaba ukuthi you carry stigma sami ngcono ukuthi vele ungadifaki le situation yami because angathi lesibantu besithale mentality ukuthi nakajoya nami no kushuthi naye so yagula so positive it even went to bangani bami a child ngiyambona uyangithanda nje just ukuthi uyangithanda nje usho uthanda nami isithombe uyathi postela So yangiscreenshot ngikhombisa ukuthi yo mami sengive buhlungu la what happened look at this one. Uma ngiyamthanda lo sisi lo but yo uyagula shame. Shothi now uyagula. Yeah.
Wow.
Shothi now uyagula. Why would you say that? Because ngeke ugule by association ukuthi sohamba kanjani yabo. Ngeke abantu basashutha nami just because everyone lokusekhe yami ukuthi soyagula. That's not the truth yabo. And abantu babiyekela because it's not nice yabo. Mina nje ngijula nawe ngijula nawe ukuthi negative or positive kwakho but akusho ukuthi bese sothi hayi banele nayo ne-HIV doesn't make like that. And singaba ku meaningful relationship ne positive negative sishade and give birth to umntwana lo negative it's possible yendele.
Okay, for Maswati or Bantu that are in the country labanye abangekho la even ababukela le video labasho ukuthi yeah nami ngiyidinga maybe counseling ngiyidinga maybe sito ngiyidinga maybe advice utholakala kuphi and bangena njani ukuze baxhumane nawe. Do you have a PA utholakala direct to TikTok inombolo my email?
Lalela, I am never giving out my number. So okay, bangibita makanesha bacela ukuthi ngibe patient or something. I think besikhuluma ngani people first ngale holiday le HIV. So siyakhuluma ke lese mina ngaphethe inombolo yami emsakatweni. So ngayibita khona bedlala live and then we went to record another one lebedlala ebusuku. So lasibusuku bedlala nga9. Ngitshela ukuthi from lo I think it was 9:30 nangicela ngita le nombolo yami. Unami bangibhaza pam abamshaya bangibhaza bekubhela ama message angayi ngofasithe kanje le ngcobo yabuya late ukuthi kodwa ngibita inombolo yami emsakatweni.
Yona ngicabanga ingwenya lento ukuthi yente kanyanga.
Yebo hey Maswati bangishayela abanye mina bona ngithanda yena uzangazi ukuthi singalakha ekhaya ngoba le bengikhuluma lapha emsakatweni. You don't even know me. Those lebe basho ukuthi asiyabonga sisi kuvuka umflo omusha like akhuluma kanjena ngiyasijabulisa ngiyasithokozisa. We also like to invite you to my communities to just
funela labo ngithi
yes I want that ukuthi ngibide ukukhuluma nene bantu labasha.
No, but here it won't happen that way. You know Eswatini know some Swatini you reach up it's crazy. But yeah no. Yeah.
So
I promise if it happens I'll owe you something. Yeah, I'll owe you something.
They do call me.
No, it's up to you. Just tell them because it's not about you, no bullshit. So sit down and about you choose the platform whatever.
No, yathi nesengifika esigabeni lesithini ngiba ngazuthi angeke sisakhona ukufundisa abantu nge-HIV bantu abalaleli. Me I'm tired.
No.
Abalaleli boss.
No, don't say that. Kufanele information kufanele ukuthi umuntu lo ngafuni bafundisa bayekele kushumayela because asifuna ukusinziswa. It's not fair.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. You have to preach love utakuva love. Even in 1 million people. Nabe umunye uvile but it will seem like asingeva sonke la khona lo video. It's just like here. I would have stopped dropping the podcast or doing the podcast because ema stats ayasho ukuthi baningi bantu abaviewer wona labasubscriber but that doesn't mean ukuthi people don't care about the platform. So ungasilahli sisinjalo. You see what I mean?
But mangikhuluma ngokuthi iphatheni kahle like sebenzisana no PrEP.
Trust me bakhona
sebenzisana condom.
The problem is that angeke uzuyitholele review yabo but trust me I'm 100% sure ukuthi bakhona abantu abasteka. Kule population lesinayo sing 1 something million.
Listen, ngithi mina abangiva nangithi mina sebenzisana no PrEP.
But that's what I'm trying to say ngiyaphikisa.
Bathi bayangifuna nase ba test positive bona ukuthi how much sisilana ngibona ivideo yakho wena le video yami soyibona ngoba nyalo so positive
and angeke ubalahle njengoba nawe positive now umunye wabo why are you judging them now
I'm not judging them.
You went to school you learned
guys
wafunda but you still got positive.
PrEP. Why don't you use PrEP?
It was there even when you got positive.
Then you go expose that.
My point points exactly. So stop that thing. If there was someone advice, because I've been preaching this gospel. You see what I mean? When I even worse, you fear the school. What's one?
But you can do better with people.
That's why we need people like you.
Yes, we can do better, honestly.
Yes. But ungaslash, ngale lokhu slash. Wena nje lokusolana sayishoba now. Nombolo la ngosuthola.
Hayi, nombolo angisayibida, ngisaphunde nombolo yami.
And tell them it's going to be okay, guys. But motivate guys. Tell them just to let them know, see guys, there's still life after everything. Now.
Yebo Nkosi yami, siyabreathe, siyaphila, sibahle. HIV, it doesn't define you. You can still achieve whatever that you wanna achieve. Ufunze university, like do something for yourself. Ungayo ukuthi ngoba mina positive, impilo yami seyiphelile. Bafana uyathanda umuntu inalako yabo. You like you don't know ukuthi hayi ngiyami ngiyafisa like ngimangazi ukuthi utangikhuthatha impilo etiningi nje. So nje nempilo siyithanze yabo. Take care of yourself. How
long does it take to show? I've had sex with someone and now I'm exposed and now whatever.
I feel like kuya ngale strain ngokuthi singakanani ngicone like very strong kangakanani like kuthele you know. I'm not sure because medically I'm not.
What are the symptoms? Oh.
No, fever, diarrhea, like the symptoms are all get cooler.
So to go
but we have and this guy. And then they tell us with Bashishibaya, Bonjamin. Ashishingaya, Kapoon, Abonagadi, Nancy, no Shishi Uyala, because nothing of Pidisa, Yababis are not what Pidis. I won't follow you. Minebenga Sinji. Because what Jake, Lama Pidis, ngoba ngiyawathanda so nawo vele atongithanda ngoba ngiyawathanda but now awathandi nawo ayajikela bese somuva manje usulethe inkonkoma
guys dawulunga guys kancane TikTok ungubani Facebook ungubani ngoba phela nombolo
TikTok nginjabu like njabu lona you inegcineni. And then Facebook ukugama lamba manje abantu bayangistalk khona level lezichitha kwendeke empilweni nami so angisathanzi ukuthi basheshe bangithwe ngibanga
trauma lasaze no famous
umuntu athi ngijabuliso benginjabuliso happy ngaphala bengithona manje nyalo ashinjile ngavela ngafaka sinanatelo sami sengiyale enhle ebusuku.
Okay. So abantu bakuthola lapho for now abakuthize ama DM la.
Yeah, bangane babhale lapho no,
Shayele mina ndanika. No, thank you so much, Sijabu. Not unless there's something that you would like to say, maybe motivation anything maybe do you speak at schools, but invite her into generally. I don't know. Now we want to shit on for sniper. But our question in the comments, still go from my comments then.
Okay.
Yeah. But never fun about part 2
I do facilitate many organizations. I am leader. I've worked with Nature and Taylor, worked with Young Heroes. I'm going to facilitate at DPM's office. And then I've worked with the Voice of the Church. Now go back and facilitated or something for Bafundisi in terms of HIV. You wait for so can I say something and
yes,
and then I've worked with Moya Center again. I couldn't facilitate my young mothers in their corner. So even in my community, like in terms of Batinji. More entrepreneurship. Once in everything, guys, because so even like 20 months.
That's what I wanted to see you to say your business. What are you up to?
Guys. I came for specific people in Bati because
but specific with me.
You bring the laundry to me, like yes, by let's give you a laundry. Hopefully one thing that I learn from my title.
One more question before I let you leave. Before I let you leave, I had this question last night when I sent you a text. Naso your Tatsima please, what's the process? Are you guys in line with so this one and
Oh, I love my clinic. Ngoba ngicubile bafuna ukuthi bashinja in fact. Bantwana seclinic uthi hey wena usebenza osentele wona la. Bantu sebagcwala clinic sibone njalo it's one of the best.
Wende kanjani? Because nami I would feel noma sibantu singafila ngese sifile comfortable ukuthi sishayelane and we know what sisihlala sengihledi na regular.
Lapha.
Ngiyabona ukuthi kusewena amshini.
No, lapha yabe la usho ukuthi kuyathi. Umuntu lomunye nakaye khona usuka yo test. Yabo usuka ngatati ukuthi unjani usuka yo test. But vele ngilele silanda maphilisi ethu lapha. What's nice lapha yakhona le nyuko imathi ilula wathi uyi-ATM ngena i-message lacingweni lakho nasento shaya date yakho maphilisi ingene ne-pin. Nawe uyale uyageka awuyinde nje ukucheck ukubhina uyale ufike uchafade lo mshini ufake le pin yakho. Naso ufaka le pin yakho kuvuleka drawer lithi ba bese kuvela le medication yakho. Bese medication yakho uyaphuma awuthatha 5 minutes.
Wow, I say try.
But they have it.
No, it's beautiful. I never thought something like that. Yo, no, I didn't know, guys. It's beautiful, guys.
Yes,
it's beautiful.
It's very nice.
Yo, siyabonga kakhulu, guys. Siyabonga department yaka Minister of
Health. Yes,
shout out. You
You
see, that's the importance of these platforms, guys. Siyabonga, guys.
Now we like something that you check out ukuthi my kidneys akho asise right. Lapho uyangena. But nakhona ku fast. Kuyashesha nje.
Sisatoba ne-robot na assessor.
Angibone ngathi ku commission. Ukuthi medication ihamba ngalo kwe-drone.
Gambudu. Yes. Somebody don't have been there. Shout out to Luke Commission. Shout out to Luke. No. Siyabonga kakhulu sisinjalo njengoba shito sasayishela ababukeli sishiyele ema-comments. Comment guys ukuthi nifuna ukubona abani next and sisinjalo nifuna niside ngani sinamfuna impinza buye for the next episode. Of course siyabona usine energy utabuya as long as stawu beka more of the chance uthabe khona. So guys, we'll see you guys on the next episode. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification button and all of that. Please just say bonabana in the comments. Santanza, and we'll see you guys soon. Dango.
Thank you.
Yo.